Yo, what is going on, my fellow shenanigans? Ajax here with more Rattle Can Shenanigans, and this is my entry video for the 48-hour build. I am throwing my hat in the ring along with so many other builders this weekend, trying to make the magic happen with this in front of you here, the 34 Ford pickup. I have had this in the stash for a while. I'm going to build it. I have no idea how I'm going to build it, but I'm going to build it sometime over the course of 48 hours on the weekend. So that's pretty much the long and the short of this video. We'll just keep it straight and to the point. And good luck to everybody that's about to participate. I look forward to watching your videos and posting a few of my own. So with that, I will sign off and I will catch you Friday night, 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, when we kick this bad boy off. We'll see you then.